I'm going to show you how to vectorize a JPEG image or any type of image that's made of pixels. If I zoom right in, you'll see that it's all blurry. It's got pixelated, and this is just a random logo I've chosen. So this is also the same. Now we'll start with the image. You open up your image on an artboard, click the image, and then you've got an option here that says image trace. So once you drop down the menu, you got a few options here to vectorize this image. So vectorizing the image will turn it into more so shapes, lines, and it won't have any pixelation, and you can zoom right in, there won't be any issues. So we can start, usually I start with these options here. This will have the most detail, high fidelity photo, so you click this, and as you can see it's too detailed. So I'm going to Control Z that, or Command Z, sorry. So drop down, we can also try sometimes 16 colors, so that's probably not detailed enough, so I'm going to Command Z that again. We can try low fidelity photo. This is what I usually go with, so this looks quite good. There's no problem with the joining. What we usually do after I've done this, I expand the shape, and you'll see that there is now outlines, and you'll see what is outlined and what's not. Once you've expanded, you can actually remove bits and pieces of the image. So we're deleting the background now, and now this image has half a background and half no background, as you can see. So I can double click this, remove this background also. So now you've got a vectorized image. When you zoom in, it won't blur at all. I usually do make minor changes to any edges. As you can see, these are all anchor points, so you can actually fix up the image, or change some points around if you need to join some sections that don't look too good. You can do that also. So that's that one. With the logo, sometimes you can get logos that are a bit blurry or fuzzy and you can't use them because they've got a background. And I'll show you how we can get rid of that. So we've got the logo here again, it's exactly the same. You can trial a few. You've got a black and white logo here, so you just turn it to black and white. You've got, again, I think this probably works the best. It just gets the edges, I think, the best. So you've got some faults here. What you can do, again, once you expand, which you have to expand to be able to edit, it'll give you the edges. Once you click this direct selection tool, which allows you to play with the anchors, you can fix this up. Usually you'd spend some time on this, but yeah, I'll just leave it at that. You've expanded your logo, you've deleted your background. Sometimes you can get left over with these pieces. And what you have to do is just highlight the shape together, and then we go to Pathfinder, and then you've got some shape modes here. So this one will exclude, so that'll get rid of the circle, make it a see-through hole, and then you've got unite, so that'll make one shape. So I'll show you now. That's that there, and then that's the one I'm after. So once you've done that, you just color it as you do, and you're set.